Yo, what's good, y'all? It's the hidden gem of the boogie down, Fidel Castro, better known as Sean Charles. I work for the stock team at Stadium Goods here in New York, and today I'm welcoming you in my home to share my visible air collection. Now, into my first shoe. What do you know about visible air? Do you know that it was the Air Max 1 to be the first shoe to have a window that displays the Air Max unit? That was all the way back in 1987. Nike shoes have had Air Max units in them since 1977. But shout out to Tinker Hatfield for taking that risk, finding that inspiration in the Pompidou Center in Paris, France, and the rest is history. This happens to be my favorite shoe out of the Air Max line. It's the Air Max 90. I remember the first time I ever laid my eyes on these shoes, man. The colorway is like, whoa, you know? These came out in 2015. March 25th. Now, there's so many variations of the Air Max 90. This is the 25th anniversary version. It has a unique technologies called Hyperfuse. Hyperfuse was first implemented in basketball shoes. It's a 3-layer technology that's bonded together by heat and pressure. So breathability, as you can see with the mesh, durability here with the gray, and then the stability here with the black mudguard to give it some good structure in the shoe. And then the tooling, it comes with a set of patches that you could customize with your shoe. It comes with an extra set of laces, infrared laces. As you can see, I kind of freak mine. You know what I mean? But we're just gonna jump into the next shoe, you know? These just recently came out, April 13th, 2020 for $140. These are the Air Zoom Spiridon Cage 2. I'm pretty sure you're more familiar with the Stussy variants, but with this one, I had to buy it because it's a silver bullet colorway. It has more of a story behind it with this colorway. The shoe debuted in 2003. The designer actually is the head designer over at Yeezy now, Steven Smith. This was ironically made for marathon runners, but this was a big hit in Japan. Like, this shoe was a big hit in Japan, Brazil, Spain, and London. It's super lightweight. It has this super breathable open mesh, so it's definitely more of a summer shoe. It's synthetic, so if it gets wet, it will dry super fast. You got the synthetic leather here along with the piping. You got 3M accents along the shoe. You got this Firelight sole, which is super lightweight. And marathon runners, if they were, running in a water pit or their feet were drenched in sweat, the moisture wouldn't weigh them down on the shoes because, again, it's super breathable and it's already super lightweight. And then it has the iconic Zoom Air technology in it. Now, if you're familiar with Zoom Air, you're more synonymous with it with basketball. So basically, it is a performance technology that is supposed to cushion the impact of hitting the ground and at the same time return kinetic energy to give you like a boost in your stride. So that's pretty awesome. These are a super nice ride. When you right out the box, you instantly you're walking on clouds. They retail for $140. They have 5 colorways right now. I know there's another Stussy colorway coming out, but these are awesome. I'm gonna rock these all summer. I've worn these 4 times already. Like, I wore them in the rain, so that's how I know they dry fast too. On to the next shoe. This is the first Jordan with the first visible air unit, the Air Jordan 3. Chlorophyll colorway. Booyah! So the Chlorophyll Air Trainer 1 and the Air Jordan 3 are both creations of Tinker. I have a hard time finding Air Trainer 1s in my size. So when I saw these in the Chlorophyll colorway, I just had to scoop these. Tinker Hatfield was inspired with the Chlorophyll colorway by visiting the gyms. The gym equipment was the same exact colorway as the shoe, gray, black, with the Chlorophyll green. The Air Trainer was supposed to be the first cross-training shoe of its kind within the Nike brand. I'm not sure all around sneakers, but I know for sure it was the first cross-trainer for Nike. And I know Air Trainers are more synonymous with Bo Jackson, but it was really John McEnroe to introduce the shoe. And on the Jordan 3, you got this nice gray, wolf gray nubuck here. You got the hints of the chlorophyll green. You see my lace game, it's pretty neat. You got this all black elephant print all around. You got this nice Air Jordan heel tab, standard Jordan 3 outsole, midsole with this nice sail white to give it that vintage Ronin look. That's another reason why I picked these up. My pair I bought from Stadium Goods for like 90 bucks. I typically don't pay retail for any of my shoes, but don't you watch that. What you know about Jordan Fusions, man? Was the first Jordan Fusion shoe to ever come out? You're wrong. It was a Jordan 6 boot back in 2002. It was called the AJB6. And them things were hideous. Oh, there's just so many bad fusions, but I feel like Don C hit it on the money with the Legacy 312. The 312 representing his area code in Chicago. There's a few fusion shoes in this silhouette. Some you're familiar with, some you might not be familiar with. I'm gonna break it down right now. To me, overall, the silhouette is the shape of an Air Revolution. If y'all don't remember Air Revolutions, that's sad. But they killed the Air Revolution when they made them for women with those sky-high wedge-looking things. I don't know why they did that. But it's an Air Revolution to me. The strap is in reference to the Alpha Force Low 3, which is technically a low-top Air Force Revolution. Jordan did play in those. And then you got your, Jordan 1 toe cap here. You got your Jordan 3 elephant print, midsole, air unit, outsole. This is Jordan 2 for me. Not Jordan, it is Jordan 3, but I'm just say Jordan 2. You got your iconic Jordan 1 stitching, wings, and swoosh, Jordan 3 heel tab. These are amazing. I bought these because essentially I didn't want the ones. This was giving me a nostalgic vibe, like a straight 90s vibe. But I think the rookie of the year colorway was one of the best colorways he's done. And but yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm about to go outside. I can't be in here no more. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little collection and a bit of knowledge. Make sure you check us out on stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app. And make sure when we open the store, you come and visit and say what up to your boy. I'm out of here.